new Excel workbook here. And I'm going to put my two windows heads up. Whoops. I'm actually done here, so I will end the slideshow and get that gone. And so the first thing we need to do is open up a new blank workbook. So I'll do that here. And I'm going to save it with the correct name. This is one of the things I'll be looking for, right? So I'm going to save as. I'll just throw it on my desktop so it's easy to get back to later. And the file name is actually going to be my last name underscore first name. And then I'll hit save. And there we go. You see up at the top, it actually changes the name of the workbook to what I set it to. And then from here, just follow the instructions and we will end up practicing some of those basics that we talked about. So, the first step is to type my name in here in A1 and then merge and center that over here to A through C, and just follow the directions through. Everything you need to do is right there. If you have questions as you're working through, please let me know. And then down here, of course, the grading criteria shows you what I'm going to look for, how many points it's all worth. And really all I'm looking for is, did you follow the instructions here above? So that's it for this week. Don't worry, I'll keep you busier later. We do kind of have some ups and downs in this class, just the way it goes with how the material is. So lucky for you, this week is one of the downs. If you want to start looking ahead, if you have a light week elsewhere, Module 7 is getting more advanced with Excel. So, all the content is there. You can work ahead a little bit. You can start working on next week's assignments. And that is it from me talking to you today. I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording. Anyone with me live will have time for questions or anything you need. Stand by just one moment.